In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify subscriptions, specifically for beginners. Whether you're looking to manage your current subscription or explore new options, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease of understanding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident about managing your Shopify store's subscriptions, allowing you to optimize your store's functionality exactly as you need. Let's get started by heading over to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. This is your central hub for managing various aspects of your Shopify store. Now, look towards the left panel where you will see a list of options. Find and select Plan. This area is dedicated to managing your Shopify subscription plans, and right here, you'll be able to see the current subscription you're using for your store. It's beneficial to familiarize yourself with your current plan, as this helps you assess whether it meets your current business needs. If you're considering upgrading your plan to unlock more features, or if you simply want to explore what else is available, click on the Choose Plan button. This action will guide you to a detailed overview of all available subscription tiers. Each tier is designed to offer varying levels of functionality, so take your time to review the features and choose one that aligns best with your business goals. Whether you're just starting out and need the basics, or aiming to expand with more advanced functionalities, knowing what's available is key. Besides your main Shopify store subscription, it's essential to manage subscriptions for any third-party Shopify apps you may have installed. Returning to the settings, click on Plan in the left panel once more. You'll find an option labeled View All Subscriptions. This is where you'll access the list of all the third-party apps you've subscribed to through Shopify. Staying aware of these subscriptions can help you manage your expenses more effectively and ensure that every tool you're paying for is adding value to your business. And that's all there is to it. Navigating through Shopify's subscription options becomes straightforward once you familiarize yourself with the process. Remember, understanding your current plan and keeping track of additional app subscriptions are crucial steps in optimizing your store's performance and budgeting effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel empowered to manage your Shopify subscriptions confidently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content, and I look forward to guiding you through more Shopify tutorials in the future.